In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a drop-down menu in Wix. Drop-down menus are a fantastic way to keep your website navigation clean and organized, especially if you have multiple pages that need to be grouped under one main category. They allow your visitors to easily find what they're looking for without cluttering your site's main menu. Whether you're building a portfolio, an online store, or a blog, this feature can make your website more user-friendly and professional-looking. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create and test a drop-down menu so it works seamlessly for your visitors. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is open your Wix website editor. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're in the editor, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see several icons there, and one of them looks like a stack of rectangles. This is the Pages icon, and it's what we'll use to organize your site's navigation. Go ahead and click on the Pages icon. This will display a list of all the pages currently on your website. Now decide which page you want to include in your drop-down menu and which main page it should be linked under. For example, if you're creating a drop-down menu for a services page, you might want to nest pages like web design or consulting under that main category. Once you've identified the pages you want to organize, click and drag the page you want to nest slightly below the main page it should fall under. As you do this, you'll notice that the editor provides a visual cue like an indentation to show you that the page is being nested. When you're happy with the position, simply release the page. This action automatically creates a submenu, linking it under the main page. To make sure everything looks and works as expected, head to the top right corner of the editor and click the Preview button. This will give you a live view of how your website will appear to visitors. It's an important step because it helps you confirm that your drop-down menu is functioning properly. Now that you're in preview mode, hover over the main menu item that has the drop-down menu linked to it. The submenu should expand automatically, showing all the pages you've nested under it. Take a moment to check that everything is displaying correctly. Next, click through each of the submenu links. This will ensure that every page is functioning as it should and that your visitors won't run into any issues navigating your site. If everything is working perfectly, great. If not, don't worry. You can go back to the editor to make any necessary adjustments to the drop-down menu's organization or appearance. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks and works, don't forget to save your changes. This is a crucial step. You don't want all your hard work to go to waste. Click the Save button before exiting the editor, and your drop-down menu will be live on your website. And that's it. You've successfully created a drop-down menu in Wix. By following these steps, you've made your website navigation more intuitive and user-friendly. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.